welcome to DIY Daze. Today we're going to be upcycling tin cans. We're going to make a lantern, a pencil holder, and a planter. The materials you're going to need are tin cans, a hammer, nails, twine, towel, pliers, paintbrush, and paint. Start by peeling the label off and washing the can. For the lantern, fill the can with water and put it in the freezer. Once the water in the can is frozen, lay the can on the towel. Next, take your screw or nail and start hammering the design that you would like into the can. Personally, I chose not to go for a design, so I'm just punching holes into the can as I go. Make sure to hammer 2 holes on either side of the top of the can so we can put the twine through them later. Make sure to have someone there to help you with the hammer if you need. Once you're done with your design, leave the can out until the water is melted. Once the water is melted, you're going to realize that the holes in the can are sharp. To fix this, simply take some pliers and press down on the holes until they're flat. Next, you're going to notice that the bottom of the can is slightly rounded. Simply hammer it back into place. The next step is to decorate your lantern however you like. I chose to paint mine this blue-green color. If you choose a lighter color like I have, just know that you're going to have to do a couple coats of paint. If paint gets in the holes while you're painting, simply take a toothpick and poke the hole. Once your can is done drying, cut around 7 inches of twine. Next, put the twine through the 2 holes that you hammered at the top of the can. Tie them off, and cut the ends off. And there you have it, your very own hanging lantern. I would suggest, because of the twine, only using fake candles. On to the pencil holder. After washing and drying your can, choose a paint color. Next, paint your can. Again, this might take a couple coats. After painting your can, you can choose to decorate it however you'd like. I decided to take some twine and tie it around the top into a bow. Next, I took a white pencil crayon and drew polka dots on the can. And that's all there is to it. Now you have your very own pencil holder. Finally, for the planter, it's somewhat of the same process as the pencil holder. After washing and drying the can, choose the paint you like and get to painting. Once again, you can decorate your can however you'd like. I chose to add a quote to my planter. I also chose to draw some dots around the top of the can. Next, fill your can with dirt and plant whatever you'd like in it. I chose to start a mini vegetable garden by planting some radishes. Water your plant and there you go, your very own planter. And there you have it, 3 ways to upcycle tin cans. Upcycling the tin cans gives them a new purpose rather than recycling. I hope you enjoyed this week's DIY Daze. Join us next week for another craft.